NeuroGov Plus Advanced AI from AI Productivity to Governed Enterprise Intelligence. 1. The shift beyond traditional AI. The global AI ecosystem is rapidly evolving from simple chatbot assistants toward enterprise-scale intelligence platforms. Traditional AI systems mainly focus on generating content, responding to queries, summarizing information, and improving productivity. However, enterprise environments require something far more critical: governance, accountability, trust, explainability, and controlled execution. This is where the NeuroGov Plus Advanced AI architecture introduces a transformational shift by separating AI intelligence from enterprise authority. 2. AI generates intelligence, governance grants authority. One of the foundational concepts inside NeuroGov Plus is the principle: AI generates intelligence. Governance grants authority. In most AI systems, generated outputs are directly interpreted and acted upon by users. NeuroGov Plus changes this paradigm by inserting governance controls between AI output and enterprise execution. The system ensures that runtime intelligence is validated before any operational decision is approved, rejected, conditioned, or blocked. 3. The role of Analyzer 1.0. Analyzer 1.0 acts as the enterprise governance validation engine inside the NeuroGov Plus ecosystem. It is not merely an analytics processor, it behaves like a runtime governance brain that continuously evaluates KPI, TSI, OSI, RMSE, policy thresholds, operational risk, and enterprise compliance conditions. Analyzer 1.0 helps determine whether AI intelligence is trustworthy, whether enterprise action is safe, whether policy boundaries are violated, and whether execution authority should be granted. 4. Policy governance as the enterprise control layer. The policy engine is the decision authority layer within NeuroGov Plus. Policies define operational governance rules across domains such as finance, healthcare, manufacturing, education, logistics, ESG, HR, smart cities, and government operations. Instead of allowing AI outputs to directly drive execution, NeuroGov Plus routes all intelligence through policy governance. This creates explainable, auditable, and policy-aligned enterprise intelligence. 5. Runtime governance intelligence. Traditional dashboards show reports after events occur. NeuroGov Plus introduces runtime governed intelligence where the system continuously calculates KPI, performance intelligence; TSI, threat/stress intelligence; OSI, outcome success intelligence; RMSE, prediction stability intelligence. These values are evaluated dynamically during execution cycles. Analyzer 1.0 then converts these calculations into governance verdicts such as allow, condition, hold, block. This transforms AI from a passive reporting tool into an active governance intelligence system. 6. Intelligence is not equal to authority. A major architectural distinction inside NeuroGov Plus is the separation of intelligence generation from decision authority. GPT, LLM, AGI, and AI engines may generate predictions, recommendations, insights, or intelligence, but they do not automatically receive execution authority. Instead, AI thinks. Governance decides. Assure proves. This separation creates enterprise trust because execution only occurs after governance validation and policy approval. 7. Assure audit, evidence, and traceability. The Assure layer provides enterprise-grade traceability and audit intelligence. Every governed action inside NeuroGov Plus can be recorded, audited, validated, explained, and reproduced. Assure preserves runtime evidence trails, governance decisions, policy evaluations, threshold conditions, and operational history. This becomes extremely valuable for enterprise compliance, regulatory audits, risk governance, and board-level accountability. 8.1 Governance Brain Rightward Arrow N Enterprise Domains. The NeuroGov Plus architecture is designed as a universal governance intelligence framework. Instead of building isolated AI systems for every industry, the same governance brain can operate across multiple enterprise domains. Examples include Finance GPT, Healthcare GPT, EDU GPT, Logistics GPT, Pharma GPT, ESG GPT, Manufacturing GPT, Smart City GPT. This creates a scalable enterprise governance ecosystem where domain policies change, but the governance intelligence architecture remains consistent. 9. From AI productivity to governed enterprise operating systems. Modern AI platforms are increasingly becoming enterprise copilots and collaboration systems. NeuroGov Plus extends this evolution toward a governed enterprise operating framework where AI intelligence is continuously supervised through governance controls. This vision positions NeuroGov Plus not as a chatbot or dashboard, but as a governed enterprise intelligence operating architecture. The combination of Cognitive Cube, Analyzer 1.0, Policy Governance, Runtime Intelligence, Assure Audit Evidence, and Inform Rightward Arrow Govern Rightward Arrow Assure creates a new category of governed AI systems designed for enterprise trust and controlled execution. Summary: NeuroGov Plus Advanced AI introduces a governance-first architecture where AI intelligence is separated from enterprise authority. Unlike traditional AI systems that focus only on productivity and response generation, NeuroGov Plus inserts Analyzer 1.0, policy governance, and Assure validation layers between AI output and enterprise execution. This architecture enables governed runtime intelligence, explainable AI decisions, enterprise trust, policy-driven execution, audit traceability, and multi-domain governance scalability. The result is a shift from normal AI assistance toward governed enterprise intelligence systems. Power summary: AI can think. AI can predict. AI can generate intelligence. But in NeuroGov Plus, Analyzer 1.0 validates. Policy governance decides. Assure proves. This creates a future where intelligence is not equal to authority. Governance controls execution. And enterprises operate through trusted, explainable, auditable AI governance systems. NeuroGov Plus is therefore not merely an AI platform. It is the evolution toward governed enterprise intelligence under IGA 2026. Brief about Dr. Pradeep K. Suri. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri is the inventor and architect behind the NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, and IGA 2026 vision focused on governed enterprise intelligence systems. His work emphasizes the separation of AI intelligence from governance authority through concepts such as Cognitive Cube, 3D, 10D AIDNN Engine, Analyzer 1.0, Policy Governance, Runtime KPI Rightward Arrow TSI Rightward Arrow OSI Rightward Arrow RMSE Intelligence, and Assure Audit Traceability. His architecture promotes the philosophy: AI thinks, governance decides, Assure proves, with the strategic vision of one governance brain rightward arrow N enterprise domains. Thank you. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri.